This is the bigger, bolder, more stylish replacement for the current Kia Cerato, and the new Kia K4 could be on sale in Australia before the end of this year. Let's check it out. So at the New York Motor Show, Kia's decided to unveil not one, but two K4s. The stylish sedan beside me and also a hatchback, and both are destined for Australia. So the new K4 sedan very much picks up where the old K5 Optima replacing sedan left off, and it gets this quite nifty four-door coupe lines. I mean, it is quite striking, it is quite challenging, and some people will hate it, but it's not boring, and I think that's a good thing. Thanks to its bigger dimensions, Kia claim class best interior space, and then even better, up front, the cabin is unrecognisable compared to the old Cerato. There's twin 12.3-inch screens and a look, finish and feel that makes it feel like they cared when they designed it. And the best thing about the Kia K4 is its beauty should be more than skin deep. This car beside me is said to have a multi-link rear suspension, and the Korean car maker says it should be among the very best in its class for the way it drives. But we'll find out all when this car launches in Australia towards the end of this year, ahead of deliveries beginning in 2025.